are 4 ways you can make money from your land, especially if you own it in a strategic place. You don't have to allow that property lie idle without making money for you. The first on my list is turn that land into an event center. Clear it, fence it, do all you need to do around that property and allow it constantly yield money for you, because people can use it as an event center, people can use it as a birthday place. Just make it good and people get to pay you either in weekends or even daily. The second way on how you can make money using that your land is starting a car wash. All you need to do is to set up a structure, especially if that property is close to the access road and close to major businesses. That land shouldn't lie idle. Turn it to a money-making machine for you. Set a structure, get the water, get people who are interested in washing the cars, and you get to pay them. Just set a system or structure on how that land can start making money for you. If you're finding value in this video, do not hesitate to let us know in the comment section, or what are the challenges in these processes to achieving your goal. The third way again is leasing that your land to mechanics or to artisans. This one I've witnessed it firsthand. Instead of allowing that land idle and nothing happening there, people are looking for workshops on how they can start making money for themselves. Those people can come to that land, turn it to a workshop, or for artisans, electricians, as the case may be, they get to pay you either yearly rent or quarterly rent. Fourth and the last way on how you can make money using your land is what we know as greenhouse farming. So you can cultivate either tomatoes, peppers, or if you don't have the time of doing that, you can lease the land to farmers where they get to cultivate on the land and get to pay you something. Or better still, you can also get fruit crops or food crops from your land. The smartest investors do not just own something and allow it to die in their hands. While their land is waiting, you can turn it to a money-making venture for you. So which of these ways or these methods can you start using today, or you've considered using but you are being hesitant about it? If you found value in this video and you want to explore any of these options that we just listed, do well to hit the like button and subscribe for more educational content like this. See you in our next video, and bye.